Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by powering the Mac off and unplugging it. Once done, wait about 60 seconds so residual power dissipates. Remove the back panel using the model's specified driver, P5 or Torx, because wrong bits strip screws. Keep screws organized by location as you loosen them, and place the machine on an ESD-safe surface. Make sure you're grounded to avoid damaging components. Start removing panels immediately after unscrewing, lifting gently to expose the battery and internal connectors. Once the interior is visible, locate the battery connector and use a plastic spudger to pry it straight out. You're preventing board damage by avoiding angled pulls. Next, remove any retaining screws or peel adhesive pull tabs carefully. Warm with a hair dryer if tabs are stubborn, then pull slowly and evenly. As you lift the battery, inspect for attached ribbon cables or thermal sensor leads. Detach those before full removal. Keep parts labeled and track torque differences to ensure correct Install the replacement battery by seating it precisely in the bay and reconnect the battery plug until you feel a firm click. This secures power transfer. Reassemble screws in the reverse order, but do not fully tighten until you confirm boot. Plug in, power on, and check system information for battery health. If the Mac won't start or shows no battery, reseat the connector, confirm screws are in correct holes, and reset the SMC or PRAM. That single troubleshooting step often clears recognition errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.